The Second Industrial Revolution. The Second Industrial Revolution, occurring roughly from the late 19th to early 20th centuries, marked a period of unprecedented technological advancement and industrial growth, building upon the foundations laid during the First Industrial Revolution. This era saw the emergence of new innovations that transformed manufacturing, transportation, communication, and society as a whole. One of the defining features of the Second Industrial Revolution was the widespread adoption of electricity as a primary source of power. The harnessing of electricity revolutionized industries, enabling the development of new tools and machinery that significantly increased productivity and efficiency. Thomas Edison's invention of the practical incandescent light bulb and the establishment of electric power distribution systems paved the way for a new era of industrial progress. The introduction of electric power not only transformed manufacturing processes but also revolutionized daily life. Electric lighting made it possible to extend working hours into the night, leading to increased productivity in factories and workplaces. Additionally, the electrification of homes and cities improved living standards and created new opportunities for leisure and entertainment. Another key innovation of the Second Industrial Revolution was the development of the assembly line. Henry Ford's implementation of the moving assembly line in automobile manufacturing revolutionized mass production techniques, allowing for the rapid and efficient production of goods on a large scale. The assembly line method significantly reduced production costs and paved the way for the creation of consumer goods that were more affordable and accessible to the general population. Advancements in transportation and communication technologies also played a crucial role in shaping the Second Industrial Revolution. The widespread adoption of the automobile transformed the way people traveled and commuted, leading to increased mobility and accessibility. The expansion of the railroad network facilitated the movement of goods and people across vast distances, connecting regions and fostering economic growth. Communication technologies, such as the telegraph and telephone, revolutionized the way information was exchanged and facilitated real-time communication over long distances. These advancements in transportation and communication not only accelerated the pace of industrialization but also contributed to the globalization of trade and commerce. The rise of industrial giants and the consolidation of large corporations characterized the economic landscape of the Second Industrial Revolution. Companies such as U.S. Steel, Standard Oil, and General Electric emerged as dominant players in their respective industries, exerting significant influence over the economy and society. The growth of these corporate entities raised concerns about monopolies and market competition, leading to the implementation of antitrust regulations to promote fair competition. The Second Industrial Revolution had far-reaching social and economic impacts. Urbanization accelerated as people flocked to cities in search of employment in factories and industries, leading to the growth of urban centers and the emergence of urban sprawl. The working conditions in factories were often harsh, with long hours, low wages, and unsafe environments, prompting labor movements and calls for improved labor rights and regulations. In conclusion, the Second Industrial Revolution was a transformative period in human history, characterized by technological innovation, industrial growth, and societal change. The advancements made during this era laid the foundation for the modern industrialized world and shaped the trajectory of human progress in profound ways.